Oh, sparkly!
Daddy,
let's see yours.
Where's Galaxy?
What? How'd you guys do that? Hey, what's up everybody? Today we are getting into the Easter mood. We have our bunny ears on and we are going to be decorating Easter eggs. If you like this video, make sure you click the like button and consider subscribing. We do lots of cool things like challenges and play video games and shake our heads from side to side. You know, it's cool. It's pretty wicked. Let's start decorating some Easter eggs. Woo! And you can even just sit it in. That's okay.
Yeah? Put it in. I'll get this.
Drop them inside. Okay. Thank you.
How many eggs can you put in at the same time?
Right?
You can only put two. In these big ones.
And I do one too.
And you're ready three in this one.
And then you go slowly in. Just like that.
I could put three in this one.
Now we do have some other different kinds of decorating, so let's leave a few of them. There's some other cool ones. None of this one at a time stuff. How's that one looking?
Maybe want to take the spoon. Ooh, pinky.
Ooh.
I'm gonna take.
Let's leave it in for a little bit longer.
I'm gonna try purple.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that one needs to stay.
Oh, but look at that. Wait, lift it up again. It's got like different colors. What's going on?
It's like cotton candy color. The green is done.
Oh, you have too much.
Oh no!
Oh, the spoon. Put the water in. Yeah.
It just sucks up.
Yeah.
Put this one in mine. This is mine. Oh! This one looks cool as it is right now. I'm gonna put this in a little bit. Guys, this is the cool Keep the red one in. Guys, the purple one is the coolest. These.
Oh, not the red. That one looks good too.
Look at these ones already. Holy cow. Okay. And then bring yours over here, Lucas.
Do I put it in the bag? Why does this doesn't look like gold? It will when you put it on.
Oh, I got it on my fingers. Goldfinger.
Goldfish.
And then close it up. And then just kind of like move that gold stuff around it.
Oh, it's making it look shiny. Oh, that looks so cool. Ooh. I'm gonna take the egg out. Oh. It looks like the earth.
Wow. So cool.
Let's rub it up some sparkle.
Nice. That is blue. We should leave like a green one in there for a super long time too.
Oh, I'm gonna put a green one.
I'm gonna say I really like that too.
Yeah, it's really cool. All right.
So pretty.
Ooh. Hey, wow, that's super cool. Yeah.
Guys, this looks like a dinosaur egg. How about we have one egg in the purple and then we take that egg and put it in the blue and then that and then that and then that and then that and it can be a good color.
To mix them all in? You want to try one where we mix everything?
Yes.
What?
I'm gonna put mine after the pink. It's gonna be blue
And then some blue in?
We're going to make a glitter sparkly egg. Put that one because it's probably dry.
How about you make a glittery, rainbowy?
All right.
Oh wait.
And we put just a couple drops of
It's cracking.
glue in there.
Crack.
Should be enough. And now you kind of massage the egg. Oh no! Oliver's egg's cracking. How's that looking?
The other one.
Oh, sparkly!
Daddy,
Let's see yours.
where's Galaxy?
What? How'd you guys do that?
I did that just with the purple. I did with all of the colors. It looks so cool.
No, Galaxy does need stars, right?
Yeah, but
1.5.
Look.
Oh, do you want to put some sparkly bits on it? Oh!
I need white sparkles. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's see what the blue looks like.
All right.
I want to mix it.
All right. Make sure you close the top off, otherwise the entire house is gonna have glitter.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
How's your galaxy looking?
Whoa, you got galaxy fingers.
I need to take a little bit of glitter.
Should we add a little bit more?
Yeah, we're gonna turn this light on. Is this gonna make a difference?
Oh, there's 4 more for everybody. Hello. I'm gonna put in purple. Guys, I'm taking out the sparkly. Let's see what it looks like.
Then we have these. We can use this. I'm gonna do 1 egg of these.
Oh!
What? Look, that's so cool, dude.
I want to see. I want to see. I'm gonna put mine in purple and blue. Wait, there's a. And the last one is gonna be the yellow. And orange.
What?
Oh! This is purple, nice purple. Guys, listen up. Look at my eggy. Look at my eggy waggy, everybody.
Let's see your eggy waggy.
I'll let it charge. Daddy,
Did you just John Cena an Easter egg?
since there's a little hole in here, let's see what it does when we put it in the red. But I'm gonna fix it up like this. Oh no! No! Doesn't really work. Cheers. That would be disgusting drinking the whole planet. Guys, let's see what the red looks like.
Where's the hole? Oh yeah, there's the hole.
Let's see what the purple looks like. Still white. I'm gonna try to do all of the colors. Okay, let's see what it looks like now. This
That one looks super cool.
Lucas's is the grand finale. This is what all the colors. Oh wow! I know it's gonna look so good. This is what it looks like with all the colors. Oh! Oh, I have to keep this in a little bit. Oh my gosh! I have to keep this in a little bit.
Yeah, I think the longer you keep it in, the darker, more colorful it's going to be.
I'm a bull.
Yeah, fix it. Use there.
I'm already done. Now I just need to vacuum all of the place.
Gotta clean it all up. So Lucas, which one's your favorite egg? That one? The one that had all the colors in it?
This, that, those two,
The glitter?
The glittery ones?
I love the glitter ones too.
that, and that blue one. Because my blue's my favorite.
I really like this one with the glitter on it.
Yep.
That's what I mean.
And then this with the
The foil? The gold, yeah,
and the
right.
sparkle.
And the sparkle ones, those are so
And
cool.
my galaxy one.
And your galaxy one, where is your galaxy one?
My favorites.
Yes.
Oh. My favorites are this one, this one, this one, and this one. No, this one.
The purpley one? Well guys, I think we're done for today. We decorated all the eggs that we possibly could. I don't think there's any more eggs left in the house. So we're gonna let these dry, we're gonna put them in a basket, and then we'll get them ready for the Easter Bunny later on to go and hide for us. That would be pretty amazing. If you like this video, make sure you click like, consider subscribing. We do lots of cool stuff, challenges, and decorating, and crafts, and video games, and all that kind of stuff. And let us know what you think about this video. How did we do? What's your favorite egg? And we will talk to you later.
Happy Easter! Have a nice day. Auf Wiedersehen.